Are you ready to take your English to the next level? Because today, we're ditching boring textbooks and diving into the fun side of learning English. Let's get you speaking like a pro in no time. The secret sauce to learning English. Immerse, engage, and enjoy. Step 1. To live the language. Imagine this. You're watching your favorite movie, and instead of just enjoying the plot, you're picking up real conversations, slang, and culture. Grab a show you love, whether it's action, drama, or comedy, and turn on those English subtitles. Feel the flow of the language, laugh with the characters, and start using their phrases in your life. Step 2. Talk and talk. No more waiting for perfect English. You've got thoughts, ideas, and stories, so share them. You can even talk to yourself if no one is around. Just make it fun. Try using a random topic generator for conversation ideas. Who knows? You might end up discussing aliens or your dream vacation. Step 3. Embrace the mistakes. Mistakes? Bring them on. They're your best friends. Each mistake is a step closer to fluency. When you trip over words or mess up a phrase, just laugh it off and try again. Remember, even the best speakers make mistakes. It's all part of the journey. So, give these tips a try and watch how fast your English improves. Remember, the key is to make it part of your everyday life. See you next time.